Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Mother T Kitchen. If today is your first time of stopping by my video, you are specially welcome.
You're
It is
welcome.
another episode in Mother T Kitchen with OG the chef.
Yeah, my people, what's up, my people? It's me, Oji the Chef, aka Usita.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's good to see you again. What are you preparing for us today?
Well, we're going to prepare chicken vegetable. It's a very nice delicacy, very nice protein meal that you can have, and it's very rich.
And local meal as well. To go further in this recipe, here are the ingredients we are using. We call this green. This is yellow and red scotch bonnet pepper. This is oil bean,
Yeah, what is it called in Igbo language?
ukpaka or ugba, depending
Wow.
on the dialect.
Yeah, it's very nice, very nice.
Okay, onion, chicken.
Yes,
Let the cooking begin.
thank you.
Oji the chef is getting ready for us.
Well,
I'll be helping him out so that the cooking will be faster. Finish washing.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Are we using all this pepper?
No, we are not.
Okay. Let me select it.
Yes, of course. Marinate the chicken first with a little bit of ingredients and seasoning so that it will be tasty.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Something like blender,
You use blender.
yes, for the pepper first.
Okay. Good one.
Mhm.
Hello, family.
Ladies, this recipe is good after your flu. It's also good during pregnancy.
I love it when men cook.
Some people said
It's
cooking.
only for female children. What if you now give birth to only male children? So your children will not cook for you. Is it what you're trying to tell me?
Well, I don't know for them though, but that was not how we were raised in our home. We were raised of everybody knows how to cook. Everybody learns it.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to go to the kitchen. It's a must.
And that is how it's supposed to be.
Yes.
Parents, let's carry our male children along in the kitchen as well. Believe me, you will enjoy it.
We're going to be seasoning the chicken now.
Okay.
Yes. We'll add onion, not too much. Not all.
It seems the pepper is hot.
Yes, it's very hot. We'll
Hi, family.
be using one Maggi chicken. Wow, this Maggi is very strong.
Yes, yes.
Stronger than some people's relationship.
Oji, please. This your pepper is disturbing me.
Yeah.
To use hot water to dissolve it, or use ordinary water to dissolve it.
So just
Okay.
not much. 2 spoons of salt
Okay.
to stir it a little bit so that it will mix thoroughly.
All right.
Yes. While that is going on, I will pick the pepper that we'll use for the sauce when it's done.
Okay.
Yes.
I think this pepper is hot,
Well, the yellow scotch pepper is very hot.
so we should keep this aside.
Yes, we'll set that aside. And now we're going to turn on the gas so that the chicken will
And start cooking.
Yes.
As the chicken is cooking, OG the chef is cutting onion. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Few months ago, I saw health benefits of this vegetable. I fell in love with it. I started using it more often, unlike before. It is high in vitamin A, calcium. It helps in digestion. It's a very good source of zinc. Check it out yourself. I love the fact that OG the chef cooks effortlessly. Chicken is ready. Wow. This is the second part of the cooking. Palm oil, onion.
That is pepper mix, right?
Yes, the peppermint.
Okay. Oil bean is going in.
Oil bean is blood booster and it gives flavor to meal.
That is crayfish, right?
Yes.
Seasoning cube is going in.
This is the chicken we cooked a few minutes ago. My today's special greetings goes to OG the chef. He's simply the best.
And now I'm going to go in with the vegetable.
Okay. Is there need to add water?
No, there's no need to add water.
Okay.
The vegetable is already enough for the water. Just after turning it, we'll cover it a bit so it can steam.
Look at this recipe very well. What can you pair it with? Chicken vegetable is ready like this. I'm giving him 9 over 10. Let me test it and see if I will give him the remaining one.
Family members, OG the chef has done it again. This is chicken vegetable served with palm wine. This
Yes,
is okay. Let's test it.
of course.
This is looking amazing. Let's see.
Yes,
Everything is balanced.
of course.
I was afraid of the pepper, but the pepper is normal.
Well, the green dies down the hotness of the pepper, so it won't be too hot or harsh.
Oh, this is good. This is
Oh,
good. This recipe is worth trying. Please try it out. See you in our next video. Bye.